According to Forbes magazine, the global artificial intelligence market is expected to exceed $407 billion by 2027. Isn't that crazy, insane, and inhumane? But how many of you have actually heard about AI? One, two, okay, five people. Now, today I'm here to discuss, in my speech, the impacts of AI on our society. Specifically, I'll be going over what AI is. Second, I'll be discussing how it's affected the current status quo. And third, I'll be discussing the future ramifications of AI. So first, let's delve into the definition and what artificial intelligence really means. According to Encyclopedia Britannia, they have stated that artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a computer-controlled robot to do tasks that are associated with intelligent beings. So this means there's either a software or a robot that's controlled by a software to do tasks like humans. And these AI technologies include machine learning, language processing, as well as robotics. And specifically, these artificial intelligence technologies are able to do tasks more efficiently than humans because they have a wide range of knowledge to access. And from that knowledge, they're able to quickly decipher patterns and use those patterns to make more informed decisions than humans. Now let's move on to the current impacts of AI because now we know what it is. According to Harvard Business Review, AI has currently transformed various industries across the entire world. In the customer service world, AI has now made these chatbots, which are way more responsive and up all night, leading to quicker response times, enhancing customers' experiences. In the health industry specifically, AI has now resulted in these robotic machines which assist in surgery, leading to more effective and precise surgeries, leading to better recovery times. AI has actually also resulted in algorithms which are able to diagnose medically multiple illnesses, which lead to quicker response times with the patient, quicker medication, and quicker recovery time. Now in the world of cars, AI has specifically transformed transportation by self-driving cars. With the guidance of AI, now we can solve the congestion issues and a multitude of traffic issues such as accidents because AI is now able to monitor all the data all at once, see the variety of incoming cars, and do the driving for you. Now that we know how AI has impacted our current world, let's discuss the future ramifications. According to the World Economic Forum, AI will undoubtedly displace a multitude of jobs as well as create new ones associated with emotional intelligence and creativity as it's integrated into society. Now, when you hear this, I don't want you to be scared because it's just the future and we have to prepare for it. Think about it. AI has this massive learning gap above all of us humans. Once it has the data to access, there is no learning gap. We humans have to digest information. We have to study up. We have to properly understand it. While AI just understands it like this once you give it to it. And on top of that, AI is not lazy. AI is not emotional. does not sleep. So it works all the time and it's operating at that maximum efficiency level when compared to us humans where we sometimes don't feel good. But don't be scared because in the next 5 to 10 years, it's all going to be about who can utilize the AI. Think about it. When calculators were first created, the mathematicians didn't just go out of business. Instead, they utilized the AI to become better at math. It's the same thing with AI. Now, over the course of 70 something years, I understand that AI will replace most labor jobs because it's more efficient than us. And at that point, as stated by the World Economic Forum, the most important thing is emotional intelligence jobs because AI can't give you that human connection, as well as jobs based on creativity. In 70 years, people will be able to make blockbuster movies with just a command to AI. It's all going to be about the creative art, the creative movie, and any creativity thing that excels in all regards. Now, with the future of AI and with technology progressing like this, we need to make it extremely clear to governments that they need to do their job of upholding privacy, because AI is going to be everywhere. It's going to be monitoring everyone, especially if it's integrated into self-driving cars, and as well as our phones and other technologies, which is which will undoubtedly happen. But to prevent the worst case scenario, we need to give our governments the proper role of monitoring privacy, reducing bias, and all of these ethical issues associated with AI. Now that we've discussed AI by delving into its definition, the physical impacts on our world today, and the future impacts and ramifications of AI, I want to make it extremely clear that by 2030, it's actually expected by the Wall Street Journal that AI will exceed $15 trillion. I want to thank you all for your attention tonight, and if you have any questions, please reach out and ask me. This is my works cited page. This is to reduce plagiarism. Thank you for your attention tonight.